Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Ring doorbell. The model in front of me is the Pro 2. This pretty much works with all Ring doorbells. First things first, there is a little locking screw here at the bottom. You will need the tool that comes with it to remove it. Then once you do, this cover will pop right out. And what we need is this button right here on the side. Typically, you have to hold it for about 15 seconds or until the light starts to spin. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold it for 15 seconds and we're going to let go. Okay, ready? Press, hold. Okay, it's 15 seconds. I'm going to let go. And we should see the light beginning to blink. There we go. It's booting back up. And there you guys have it. Now this system is factory reset, so now you'll be able to either resell it or add it back to your account. Anyhow, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.